kids, welcome to Pencildz International Play School, and now it's time for story. And what is the story all about? It is the quack quack duck. Can we repeat? Quack quack duck. One day there was a big fat duck and she was swimming in the water. Swimming in the water very slowly. After some time, she felt very tired. The mother duck was very tired and she slowly walked to the land. She could not walk fast. She slowly walked and she was very tired, and then she sat slowly and she laid eggs. And what happened now? She was taking care of her eggs. She was sitting on top of her eggs and taking care of her eggs. After few days, all the eggs began to shake. They were shaking. And then the eggs started to crack. 8 small ducklings popped their head out and they started saying peep peep, peep peep, peep peep. And the mother duck was very happy. She was saying quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. And they lived